how to create a weeding box in Cricut. This weeding box tutorial will show you the design space portion of it, and you can view the rest of the tutorial on the Fontsy blog, which you will find linked right below this video. Okay, so first things first, you'll want to upload your design. I've already chosen my design. It's this funny kitchen one that says I only have a kitchen because it came with the house. And I'm going to put this on a little wood frame that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is resize the design to fit onto my material. So my wood sign is approximately 6.5 by 8.5. So I'm going to redesign or resize this design to about 5 inches wide total. And it'll automatically change the height when you leave the little proportion lock closed. Okay, so the next step you want to do is go to Shapes and choose Square. And as you can see, this square, as you resize it, is only going to be a square, but I kind of want it to be almost the size of the design. So click the lock in the bottom left-hand corner. And I am going to change this to be about 5.5 by 6 3/4. Okay, so now I have both the rectangle and my design. So you want to select both of those layers and you want to go to Align and then click Center. That is actually going to put the square in the front. So I move the square down here in the layers to the back so I can see the design is within those parameters and it's centered. And then you want to select both of those, well, all of the pieces again. So both of my layers, both the kitchen design and the rectangle, and click Attach. Now, what that has done is it has created a square cut or rectangular cutout around the design, which will save me material because I'm not going to be weeding outside of that. I won't be ripping anything off of my piece of vinyl that is not within this rectangle. So the next thing you would do is click Make It. And that will bring you to your mat, and you can see that it is here in the top left-hand corner. Now, if I had other things on this piece of vinyl already loaded on the mat, I would just take this and move it around. But I'm going to leave it here in the top left-hand corner because my piece is about 7 by 9. And then what you want to do is click Continue and go ahead and load your mat. I use the light grip mat, which is the light blue Cricut mat, and then click Go. And then once your vinyl is cut, you'll weed out the box first around the design, and then you'll just have the design left. And you can see those images and the rest of the steps on our blog for the full step-by-step tutorial. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and you guys have a great day. Thanks.